Welcome to BrokerCheck, your go-to source for reliable and unbiased reviews of online brokers. Today, we're taking a closer look at TradeEU, a modern CFD and forex broker located and regulated in Cyprus. But before we start, make sure to read our risk disclaimer carefully. TradeEU currently offers 3 languages and access to MetaTrader 5, a web trader, and mobile apps as trading platforms. Minimum deposit to open an account with TradeEU is $250. Trade commission is $0 and withdrawal fee is also $0. TradeEU offers over 250 different trading instruments for traders to choose from, including CFDs on stocks, indices, commodities, forex, and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. One of the things we liked about TradeEU is their user-friendly platform, powered by MetaTrader 5. The advanced charting capabilities and automation features make it easy for traders to navigate and access the financial markets. Additionally, the platform is regulated by SEC, ensuring a safe and secure trading environment for traders. TradeEU also offers a dedicated 24/5 customer support team that is available to help traders with any questions or concerns they may have. The team is multilingual and provides support in various languages. TradeEU also offers an advanced set of trading tools, daily market reviews, economic calendars, webinars, asset analysis, asset ratings, and more to empower traders and help them make informed decisions. Additionally, retail clients are eligible to use the Investor Compensation Fund, ICF, and if applicable, could receive coverage of up to €20,000 per client in the case of the company's inability to meet its obligations. One thing we didn't like about TradeEU is their account tier structure. Additionally, there may be inactivity fees after 60 days. As a relatively new broker compared to some of the more established players in the industry, there is not as much trader feedback available about TradeEU. When it comes to the trading assets available at TradeEU, traders can choose from over 250 different instruments, including CFDs on popular assets such as stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The platform offers a wide range of currency pairs for forex trading, including major, minor, and exotic pairs. Additionally, traders can access popular stocks, indices, and commodities such as oil, gold, and silver. In conclusion, TradeEU is a user-friendly and regulated platform that offers a wide range of assets and trading tools to help traders make informed decisions. The low minimum deposit and lack of trade commissions and withdrawal fees make it an attractive option for traders. However, it is important to note the account tier structure and potential inactivity fees, and keep in mind that TradeEU is a relatively new broker with limited trader feedback available.